Welcome to the tomato patch. uh, these guys are doing awesome. Just absolutely kicking it. This guy's rocking. This guy's rocking. Then we have tomatoes in buckets this year, which are doing really well. A couple of these were suffering a little bit of lack of water, but you got to watch if you're container gardening to make sure your tomatoes are getting adequate water, because the containers can dry up faster. I do use an organic fertilizer, and you have to watch the calcium so you don't get blossom end rot. So we got that in there. The potatoes are looking good. These are Katahdin potatoes, and I may fill in the tops, or I may fill in up just underneath, maybe about here, to perhaps give the possibility of more potatoes. Because as they grow up, the shoots go off to the sides, and as they grow, you kind of fill it in and you can get some more potatoes. You have a better yield. Same here. I could fill this leaf bin up to probably about here right now, to the top of the wire, and get some more volume, which I might experiment with. If you've never seen the top of a potato, that's that. That'll turn into flowers. Same with these guys. It's doing well. This guy's got a flower on it too, so got that. Tomatoes, potatoes, and the black raspberries are looking pretty good. I do have the bird netting on these, and I've been watching the ant population here lately. They did get to some, so that bunch right there might not come out. The ants are pretty destructive. This vine's not really looking all that great, to be honest. This one here is looking better. You can see here, got some berries forming there. Got some berries there, and then down here. So that's not too bad. Now this one looks pretty good all the way down. So yeah. The red raspberries are in an off year. So normally this right here would be pretty full, but the black raspberries are taking over this year. So we'll have probably a bumper crop, but we'll see. Other than that, it did rain today, so we got rain on our tomatoes.